It's an Easter Monday from Benidorm. Still a holiday. Lots of tourists in and more cafes open. So the cafe that normally shut, recently they're open from the Semana Santa. I don't know how long they will last, but let's enjoy it while it's still open. Next we're gonna do videos walking along Levante Beach to see what's on today. So stay tuned. Hello again. I'm Yana Makram. I live in Benidorm, Spain, reporting from Levante Beach. It's a beach day. People are there having a good day, good time at the beach inside their little squares.
Go and see if they're wearing a mask on the beach. Yeah, pictures and wearing a mask. One man there is on the seat, but most everybody else on the beach are not. They're also facing away from the promenade, so nobody could see anyway. Yeah. In the cafes, most Spanish people are wearing a mask, even while seated, so that seems daft. On the beach, hopefully nobody bothers, because it's all about peer pressure. If no one does it, then the police can't make them. Most people are ignoring that.
How could you wear beach? How could you wear masks in the weather like this?
Common sense. People want to wear masks forever all the time. Matter if it's covered in sand, sunscreen, doesn't matter if you get tan lines, that doesn't matter to them. Just wear a mask all the time. Hygiene doesn't matter either. Everybody's been throwing their mask down on the sand and then picking it up when the fish come by and stuff.
That's worse than the virus.
The whole month of last April, the beach was closed. Nobody was allowed out of their house. We never came down here once.
Now it's boats, jet skis, people at the beach, kids.
The whole month we didn't even get down the street.
Well,
Most of these
it
people
says
got shelters, but we've not.
it says it's gonna be 19 degrees today. It should be lovely down at the beach. But up here, the wind is so chilly. Chilly.
Perfect day to walk. Not really
Has the cable ski stuck and people are in the water. I wonder if the water is not cold. Nice day.
We need to get a deck chair and a book to read and stuff. Good news.
Nice.
The atmosphere feels nice today. Like there's music coming from the places, and there's new bars opened as well, not just the old ones. And the beach isn't packed and there's loads of space, you could easily go on and sit.
Temperature lovely as well. Chill.
There's a lot of people here that's new.
Ya llega el verano, chicos. Vamos a la playa. Tomando el sol.
I want a bike. Let's take this nice train. Instead of biking.
There's the baby. There's the baby. So happy today.
Singing.
So thank you for watching the video. If you want more video like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, and if you want to share some love, you can do a donation to the link in the description box below. From Benidorm with love. Gracias por haber visto mi video. Si quieres más video así, no os olvidéis pinchar el botón suscríbete ahí abajo. Y también si queréis ayudar a mi canal, podéis hacer una donación pinchando el link ahí abajo en el description box. And live music is back in town, so some bars like Uncle Pet, Silver Dollars, and what else? Piccadilly, they have live music, but you have to check their schedule for the performance.